When you think of feeding your face, do you think of sitting down for a hearty, nutritious meal? But this month, I want to introduce you to a new way of feeding your face. That's feeding your skin nutritious, hearty nutrients. And how are we going to do that? With my favorite subscription box, of course, Face Mask Alchemy. So stay tuned as I present to you Farm Stand, the latest mask from Face Mask Alchemy. Hi everyone, welcome to the Free Range Diva. It is Face Mask Alchemy time, and when I saw this latest mask from Marie's subscription box, I just got all tingly inside because the ingredients in this mask are out of this world. Every month it seems that Face Mask Alchemy's Marie's masks get better and better, and this one has got to be, I haven't used it yet, but just based on what's in here, it's got to be her best one yet. This is it right here. It's called Farm Stand. And let me just tell you what's in it. It has white clay and organic coconut milk, two things that, if you're familiar with our masks, you already know are beautiful ingredients. It's got organic maca, wild turmeric, amla fruit, which is loaded with vitamin C, Hawaiian turmeric, extracts of guava, banana, papaya, and pineapple. And the goal of this mask is for light exfoliation and to promote skin health. So if all those nutrients can't do it, I don't think it can be done. Her masks come with an oil, and the oil this month is organic papaya seed oil and passion fruit seed oil. And as you noticed, not only are Marie's ingredients very straightforward and very high quality, most, if not all, are organically derived. So let's show you. Here is what this mask looks like. It's yellow. Here you go. Ooh, spilling, no, bad. Yeah, and as you can see, this is the jar may be small, but she packs it right to the brim. She says that the base of this oil with the white clay and turmeric and maca is grounding and soothing, and then for their exfoliating properties, that's why she puts in the tropical fruit, because they have enzymes and skin-feeding vitamins. I mean, I don't even want to talk about this anymore. I just want to get it on my face. So let's mix this up. Got the honey stick, which also comes with the mask. And my liquid for the day is going to be green tea. Because it just seemed to, you know, if you're eating, you got to have a little bit of green tea to go along with your meal. So let's put this together, okay? I'm going to take a couple spoonfuls. Big spoonful. We're going to add the green tea first by pouring it into the spoon. Don't want to add too much. So already you can see that this is quite creamy. That's probably due to the coconut milk in here, but we're going to kick it up a notch because, of course, must have honey. Good splash of honey. And maybe we'll do a dropper full of the oil. I can tell you that this mask absorbs liquid really quickly, so be frugal with your liquid. You don't need a lot. There you go. That's what it looks like all mixed together. Now, let's get this on my face. Oh, and guys, coming up this month in the Free Range Diva report, I'm going to have sort of an update on my use of collagen. But just to give you, can you see these baby hairs right here? Get a little bit close. right there and over here. And I can feel, as I put my hand through my hair, I can feel it getting thicker at the root. So there's new hairs growing in. All right, ready? Adjust the mirror. Isn't that pretty? Ugh. So currently, for the last couple of weeks, well, maybe week, I wake up in the morning with painfully dry skin. So something's not happening. Either I'm not getting enough water, which, yeah, more than likely. The weather's changing. It's going and starting to get into dry, desert-like summer. Or I probably need to adjust my evening skincare. So hopefully, because it's no fun waking up with stinging tight skin in the morning. So already this mask just feels like heaven. And you can see, can you see how easy and smooth this is going on the skin? All right, I'm gonna let this clay and all these goodies do their work for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back, I'll rinse it off, come back, and then let you know my final thoughts. So far, the best one yet, Marie, really, best one yet. So here is the finished face, all plumped up, fed. It really does feel bouncy. Get a little more moisturizing toner. This is the Healthy Skin Toner. You see me using this all the time. It's got cucumber in it and aloe, and it just feels really good. Then for my moisturizer, I'm going to use my regular daytime moisturizer. This is the Perfecting Time with our Gerline from Divita. Get a pea-sized amount of that, and I'm going to take a drop of that beautiful oil and make an emulsion out of it. Oh, my skin feels so smooth right now. And I forgot to mention that when I had the mask on, it smelled like fruit. Especially as it started to dry. You could definitely smell the banana. This is healthy skin. Does it look healthy? Because it certainly feels healthy. I mean, that's what you want, right? When you go out, you want people to, you want to glow and feel, you know, alive and vibrant with health. And so eat your farm stand vegetables, use your farm stand mask, and you're going to have that beautiful, healthy glow everywhere you go. Okay, so Farm Stand, the latest mask from Face Mask Alchemy. Face Mask Alchemy is a subscription box that sells for $10.88 a month. That's right, $10.88 a month for all of these beautiful products that you see. And every month, the mask is different, and you have just enough so that you can do 4 masks that month, and then you use it up, and the next month you get something, you know, something new. I will leave all the details if you'd like to sign up. You can go to the Face Mask Alchemy website. I'll link it below, as well as Marie's channel and the color green and her video where she talks more about this mask. Oh, and I almost forgot. This month Marie made extras of this mask in full sizes. So if you already subscribe and you love it and you want a full size, you can get it from the website. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. If you do subscribe to this subscription box, let me know what your alchemy is. I hope you enjoyed mine. And let's see, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you haven't done that, because I would love to have you. And until I see you again, I wish you a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you again very, very soon. Bye, everybody.